All right, what I'm going to do now is take my measurements for the top. I'm just going to go from J to J again. Just like the bottom, this one here will be 44 and 44 and a half is J to J here. And then what I'll do is come down the face, and I'll make that piece there. I got 2.5 inches right there, so I'll make that piece 2 5/8. And then we'll use the other tape, the wooden one, and we'll come out. Off of the window, we're going to come out 2 5/8 inches because we got a measurement right there of 2.5. So I want to come a little further than that. So 2 5/8. So it's going to be a 3/4 inch back bend to go inside the J, and then it's going to be 2 5/8 and then 2 5/8. So now this is our top piece, 44.5 inches. Make a mark. Use a speed square. We have a large speed square here. Take it, slide that so it's right on the edge. Get a nice straight mark. And there's our length right there. Just go ahead, score it right on that line. Break the piece. Then we have to make our measurements now. What we're going to do is we're going to go that 2 5/8. Then we're going to go 2 5/8 again. And then from there, we're going to make 3/4 inch back bend. Okay, now I take my top piece, I hold it into place. I want to make a mark right over here on this edge where it's going to be cut. This piece here will be cut off. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And then this piece here gets cut off. All right, now I'm going to go ahead, I got it marked. I'm going to go ahead and cut this corner. And again, go ahead and score the inside. Bend that piece and it breaks right off. Okay, we got this piece. It's set right in place just like I was hoping it would. Fit perfect. Now we go ahead, we'll put our sill extender on the bottom. We can go ahead and seal this window up. Okay, now I'm going to measure the length of my sill extender, and I've got 39.25 inches right there to the edge. Go ahead, just lay it out. Get your mark made on the sill extender right here, 39.25. That's the mark where you're going to cut at. Okay, it's going to fit in there lengthwise. Now we have to get the height of it. Easy way to do that is take your tape measure. Do it on the side, it'd probably be easier way to get it. Measure right to the center of that slot. You're about 1 1/8 inches. So you know that this is going to fit right in there. So that's where you want to measure down, is from that top groove. 1 1/8 inches. And that's the mark you want to go ahead and cut this on. Trim right along that line. Now, see, we're lucky enough here to have enough room to where we can use this mallet to go ahead and tap this in. See? Just go ahead and get it started. And then what I like to do is just go along with something flat and hard like this. It's not going to mark it all up. You can hear it snapping as it's going in.